So we are doing a fluted and fluted polystyrene facade. So when I say fluted, that talks about the form. It takes a fluted form where you have depressions and extrusions. And then when I talk of fluted, it is finished with cement and mesh. So the finishing is a cement and mesh that is resistant to water. So it is giving a fluted form where we have extrusions and depressions, in the sense that it flushes with the concrete and gives a very unique and detailed design perception. So this here now is a typical example of what we have. We are going to, this is the gatehouse, and we're going to have the same thing on the buildings themselves. So I'm going to take you inside to give you a sample of how we are going to demonstrate this on the buildings themselves. So typically, just like I showed you outside, here we have the polystyrene cladded facade. This is a typical example of what we want to achieve there. Now, we have to follow very intricate details when we want to achieve this, because it is a work of art when you mix construction with architecture. So we have created a depression 2 inches into the wall. We have an extrusion here. Now this is where the polystyrene is coming to sit. This is where it's going to be installed into. And the finest detail is that we have to make this 2 inches thick. It cannot be less, it cannot be more. The reason for that is that the thickness of the polystyrene cladding itself is 2 inches in width. So we have to represent that when we are doing our wall plastering, so that when the polystyrene comes in, it flushes seamlessly with the wall, and we achieve exactly what we want without any hassle.
If you've enjoyed this video and you want to get more from Grey Builders, make sure you subscribe and put on the notification bell.